How to fix if your Snapchat account is temporarily disabled due to unusual activity or attempting for login again and again. How can you solve that issue and log in into your Snapchat account again? In order to do this, the first step is to check your network connection of your mobile phone. Put your mobile phone on the flight mode and switch it off after 3 or 4 seconds so that your network connection will be refreshed. And after that, what you have to do, just open your Snapchat application on here like this. Find it between all the application. You can say this is my Snapchat. I just have to hold this for 3 or 4 seconds like this, clicking on the app info on between here. You just don't have to delete your application or force stop your application. What you have to do, click on the storage usage here, and you will see there is a lot of cache and the data in my application. So you just have to clear all your data of your Snapchat application from here. This will refresh your application to use again. After that, click on the clear cache option here. Clear all the cache of this application so that it will make it so smooth and background refresh of your application. So after doing all these two settings, refreshing your mobile phone network, disconnecting to Wi-Fi and reconnecting to it, and the second step is to free up some space on your mobile phone and clear all the extra data from your Snapchat application on application manager of your Android mobile phone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.